In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if you have a no signal problem. Okay, for the first step, we can click on this button and here we can change TV to radio. So if you want to, click on this and here we can change the programs. So this is the first step you can do. After that, you can also click on input and here you can change your input. So if you want to look like on HDMI or screen share, you have to change this. You can also click on all inputs and here you have more settings. But what you also can do is to click on this button here, on the settings button, go all the way down on all settings, and here what we can do is we can click on network, and here you have to make sure that you are connected with your Wi-Fi. So here, Wi-Fi connection, if you are connected to internet, this is right. And what you also can do is click on programs. So click on this, programs. It should go up on programs. And here you have to turn HBB TV on, and after that you can also, if nothing helps, you can also do a channel scan when you click on program tuning and settings. Okay, if I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. Also check all your cables that they are connected with the TV right. And after that, if I could help you, please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments. We will find the solution, and then see you next time.